So when we're thinking about this idea of, I want to ask a student to define, let's say something, some skill, some principle, some philosophical term, the art's name itself, or so in this case, asking a student or a group of students, how do you define Tai Chi Chuan? And they end up being hesitant or trying to make their answer overwrought and over comprehensive because they want to get it right. They want to come back to you with the right answer. And they might be hoping you don't call on them, or if they're very experienced, they have additional pressure, self applied pressure to get it absolutely right and to do their best and make you smile and proud of them, kind of thing. And this, of course, is based on the idea that there is a correct answer or best answer. So what I imagined is you as the teacher bring your, let's say, kindergarten class to the beach. And then you say, there is a golden starfish. There's just one of them, and it's been spotted on this beach this week by the park ranger. So go find it. And they all go out looking for the gold star, right? And whether or not somebody finds that gold starfish, there's one way to win, right? And of course, if one kid finds the gold starfish, they come back to Gold Star students, very excited, and everybody else is variously disappointed. Like, well, I got this gold thing, it's a candy wrapper. I got a starfish, it's in the right light, maybe it's a little yellow, so does that count, half credit? And so we can think about the pressure that the people have, the kids, and the right and the wrong, and the how close to right, and the one perfect answer. Now, you go to the beach, kindergarten class, and you say to them, take a few minutes and come back to me with what you found. Nobody has any idea of right or perfect or best or win or teacher's pet or gold star student. They're just like, I found this really interesting. This piece of litter, this starfish, this seashell, this whatever it is, this rock. And so if we think about would you like to define this? If we thought of it as like, tell me what you found interesting or valuable to you or curious or worth hanging on to or affinity for in some way. Like that's a nice way, if you're receiving that question as a student, to say, well, here's what I found, here's what I'm interested in, here's what has some worth and value and interest or connection or kinship for me, not looking for some sort of objective rightness. So we're looking more for a subjective relationship. So that's the metaphor that went through my head of going to the beach and tell me what you found. And you kind of can't get that wrong. Just say what you found.